Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitch with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging, and this is just something small that I got from Fansells, and this is a personal order. It's not a review. I mean, per se. They didn't send it to me. Well, they sent it to me, but I paid for it. Yeah. And when I looked in the mail yesterday, I couldn't believe that this was already here. I ordered this on the 24th of October, and it took under 10 days. Yeah. So I'm just a bit excited. Just a bit excited. Oh my goodness. Yeah, if I could just get this plastic off, we'll have it made. As you can see, it's a very big, huge one. I'm not sure of the dimensions. I wrote that down. Let's see. 241 by 91. Yeah. You know what it is. Get all that stupid plastic off of here. It is the ladies. Yes, it finally got here. Yeah, 245 by 98. Just something small. But it is so pretty. And it's from the Spring Company. And it's on that. I'm trying to turn it around. Holy cow. And then I got to figure out how to get the crazy box open. Oh, please. Oh, yeah. It comes out that way. Let me see if this will work. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, it does that in 3 different areas. I knew I was going to need those scissors for something. There'll be a moment. All right. I got it out. Or opened. Let's see what's in the bag. Instructions on how to start, how to finish. And a nice small booklet. Let's see. And it has 36 pages. It is broke down into 36 parts. But yeah, this is going to be lovely. Let's see what else we got here. Nope. Gonna say I better have these because I will be pissed. Those look like glass Preciosa beads except for some of the others. Did we get it all out of the box? Now we're gonna move the box because running out of room. Holy cow. Alright, we'll look at these since they're right on top. It's supposed to have 8 beads. But as you can see, they're very tiny. These are all glass that I'm showing you. Some have a whole bunch. Some have very little. But they are glass Preciosa beads. They're seed beads is what they are. Aren't they pretty? And then we have some specialty beads. They're plastic. There's a few of those. And we have some more greens. So one specialty bead and the rest are all glass Preciosa beads. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, let me put them back in there so that we don't lose any of them. There's some have a whole lot, some have not a lot. And then we have just a small wad of threads. Holy cow. Yeah, this is going to need its own bag. I'm trying to get you up as high as I possibly can. Beautiful, beautiful colors. They're on these slip things. We got pinks and green. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my more. Very, very colorful. Just absolutely stunning. Yeah, I didn't even tell you what. So evidently there's 7 thread cards. Just absolutely beautiful. I can understand why Jill got a separate thing to hold so many of them. Yeah. Beautiful. The greens and the purples and the pinks. And the blues. I'll just kind of go this way. Oop, I got a straggler. More blues and reds. Now these cards don't have the thread card, I mean the DMC number. And you have 3 beading needles and 4 cross stitch needles. We have all our browns and our 310 black, because I'm sure you're going to need that. And let me tell you, where are my colors? Try the beginning. Ay, 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 ay. Has 94 colors. Total. So you have 86 in full, cross stitch. And then you have 8 colors in beads. And 7 colors in back stitch. Just absolutely stunning. We have 310 black. I don't know, this is very hard to see what it is. Because it has the DMC number at the bottom, the thread card, then the 2 symbols. Usually it runs up and down this way, but they, for some reason, did it this way. And they're not in numerical order. So, yeah. I'm not seeing anything that I know of. There's some back stitching here of all the Chinese words. Chinese, Japanese, I'm not sure. But nice, nice pattern book. They always do a good job with that. Most of the back stitching is either on the butterflies' antennae or like in their faces. So we'll have to just see how this goes. But it is so pretty, and I had to have it. Just had to have it. I'm not going to bore you by going through it all. But yeah, just a beautiful book. We're going to set that aside. And we're going to find a home. Maybe for the threads right there. And see if we can get this canvas out. Now the canvas is tan. So we'll see how the, I don't know what the actual word for it is, but we'll see how the printing goes. If it looks much better than the Godzilla one that I got. Yeah. There's just no way. I have to back up even further, because it's a good 4 feet, I would say, wide. It is serged. Let's see what we got this way. It is 96.5 centimeters or 38 inches wide. I mean, not wide, up and down. Yeah, wide. And, or height, not wide. Yeah, and then it's 100 miles that away. I have no idea what 245 is in feet and inches without looking it up on Google, but we'll just kind of open one section. Everything is falling off my desk. But as you can see, the symbols are very dark and easy to see. And the key does run along the bottom. I have laid it all out, not this, but laid the other one all out and just took a little snippet video, you know, going along of what the symbols were. So, yeah, and it doesn't bleed through the back. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And it's very heavy. Heavy material. So, yeah. Not sure how this is all going to go. I may have to have 2 bags for this. But very well printed. Very easy to see. And you know what we'll be starting this afternoon. If I can just wrestle this thing together, I may start it, I don't know, up there in that corner of the, you can't even hardly see it. There's a tree or something right up there. So, might be easier to hang on to. So, we will see. But I just wanted to show you that I got it. And I am looking, see, there's that tree. Looking forward to stitching on it. It'll just be amazing. Just amazing. And it's 11 count. That's why it's so huge. So, it has 1,004 stitches across and 382 down. And it is a partial. So, you don't have to do the background if you don't want to. But, yeah. Very pretty. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 ladies, and then looks like a small child down here, like bringing them something, maybe something to eat or something, while they're stitching and doing all the things. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.